In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Popeyes account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in popeyes.com/sign up. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Popeyes. You can see over here, you'll directly be led to the sign up interface. You'll be able to find various options for signing up. You'll be able to find the option for Apple, Google. You can also continue with email address if you want. Simply click on the option that is preferable for you. Here I'm just going to continue with email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email address. Now enter your email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, click on this option sign up or login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your first name. Click on the field of first name. Now what you have to do is enter the first name over here. If you would like to receive the special offers and other information, make sure to check on this box. Otherwise, you can simply uncheck it. Now after that, click on this option create an account that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. Now you'll be able to use the Popeyes account. So that is how you create Popeyes account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.